Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this, Waves Parallel Particles, to thicken up your mixes. Very cool plugin this, made in collaboration with the parallel processing guru, Andrew Scheps. Let's look past the slightly ridiculous GUI, because this is a very good plugin. Very simple, very straightforward, and it forces you to really use your ears. So let's start at the top. We've got an air control, pretty self-explanatory. Thick helps to add a bit more weight, low-end girth to your mixes. Sub, again, sort of no prizes for guessing what this does, but we can select a frequency down here to add some real low-end energy into your mix. And then bite, which helps to sort of add a bit more sort of attitude to your transients, all that sort of stuff. And each of these, well, we don't really know what's going on behind the hood for sure. Our ears kind of will tell us what's going on, but as you wind these in, you're really just adding a bit of a parallel process, which is quite nice and quite transparent. So let's have a listen to the mix that we've got. I think it sounds a little bit thin and a little bit lifeless, but it's a great song, so it deserves a bit of love. So let's use this to help bring a bit of energy to the mix.
It's the color of a Sunday morning, lying in bed with you, touching feet beneath the sheets. No one to tell us to.
Let's start with thickening the mix.
Into the day, says no rush, nowhere to be.
Hear that bass guitar come forwards.
Holding me.
Let's go for some sub.
Mission to do nothing at all but pull the covers over us. It says no rush, nowhere to be but here with you.
Dial it back a little bit and add some bites. Oh, don't need much. Let's go back around that again.
That's the color of a Sunday morning, lying in bed with you, touching feet beneath the sheets. No one
Right, let's tempt some air into this.
get up and run into the day. Says no rush, nowhere
I think we're there.
to be but here with you, holding me. Permission to do nothing at all but pull the covers over.
Yeah, sounds really good. For more information on Waves Parallel Particles, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.